Hey free roamers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean, Billy's here with me. Today we have been looking forward to doing a product review on this Bodega T36 RV cooler.
Free to roam, ooh, can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll. In our Alliance paradigm, we're free in our soul.
The folks at Bodega reached out to us to see if we would want to check it out and try it out, and we figured it's something we would definitely use and probably some of our subscribers might enjoy using too. So we are going to get this thing unboxed and then put it through its paces. All right, this unit came pretty well packaged. It appears to be undamaged. And it actually looks really cool. The blue and gray color. Control panel seems easy to use. The size, it's a little smaller than the Dometic we've had in the past, but this is a single zone cooler, so we will get this thing hooked up, plugged in, and check it out. There it is, out of the box. Okay, I've just finished unboxing the Bodega T36. Really simple. It is wheeled, some sturdy handles, the control panel here on the end. It comes with an AC 110 power supply, and then your 12-volt cigarette lighter style power supply for the DC side. This is it's a really good looking cooler. I really like the color. Maybe it's because I can take it to a Dallas Cowboys tailgate or something. You know, it's kind of that blue and gray. Okay, we're gonna take it back to the clam over there, find a spot, and get some beverages cooled down and enjoy this thing. Hey free roamers, as you know, we've been checking out the new Bodega RV or truck camp cooler, refrigerated electric cooler, and just want to give you an update on how it's been working out for us. This is a really quality unit, and we have just implemented it almost immediately into our outdoor clam setup. So I'll show you kind of what it looks like in here, and you know, how we've been using it. Our best use, you can see we have the Dometic, and then Bodega was nice enough to send us their version, their model, and this one is a little bit smaller height-wise, but a little bit longer. I do like the control panel. It is a lot easier to use, in my opinion, than the one on the Dometic. The Dometic was just a little bit more cumbersome, but it's a little deeper on the storage in the Dometic. So, you know, depending on what you're using it for, we have our desserts and some cocktails and water and stuff in there. But for what we're using it for, it absolutely has held temperature with no issue, had no problems with it whatsoever. And I still think it is just a good looking unit. It is a nice cooler. In my mind, it reminds me more of a cooler than a mini refrigerator, I guess you'd say, even though on the inside, you know, it reminds you of a refrigerator when you open it up with the baskets and the light. You can't see the light because I have some stuff in there right now, like Billy's apple pie. Yeah, it does light up. This lid is a little bit, you know, it's kind of a plasticky, like you'd think of as a cooler. Whereas, you know, on the Dometic, it's a little bit more robust. The trade-off for that is it's a lot heavier. The Bodega is, you know, quite a bit lighter and easier to move around with the wheels. That is just a great feature you didn't know you needed until you have it. But good sturdy handles. Easy to lift, easy to roll around, functions flawlessly, and it has been an absolute game changer for what we're able to do out here in our clam, just to set up and have, you know, drinks and snacks and desserts and stuff handy, and we really like it.
Hey honey, what you doing? Organizing some stuff? You want me to get you a drink?
Yeah.
It's a little breezy out here, but I'll get you a water.
Yeah, lucky we have some out here.
I know, I'm gonna go to the clam and get some waters. Check out this Bodega cooler we got here for water. It's all set up. Should be cold. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, these waters are ice cold. Oh, they are so cold. And the beers are cold too, but those are for later. Ice cold. That cooler is working really well. And like Sean said, I can move this cooler. It's not very heavy. So if I needed to come in here and get the Bodega and move it for Sean, it's not very heavy at all. I can lift it, and it's got those wheels. So I could lift it up and pull it around with the wheels. That's awesome. This Bodega 12-volt car refrigerator is pretty awesome. It has many capabilities and would be a great addition to any of your outdoor adventures. It keeps our drinks cool, and it's very easy to move around and take with us. So you can go to bodegacooler.com to get this, or you can get it off Amazon. Let's get Sean this water. Oh, babe, these waters are ice cold.
Oh, that's good, because the ice melted in that cooler.
See? Regular cooler, ice melted. Bodega cooler. How's that water?
Ice cold.
Ice cold. Okay, we have the Bodega cooler plugged in our clam right now using 110. But also, if you want to take it down to the lake or something like that, you could plug it.
Has a 12-volt or your vehicle.
Yeah, you could plug it into your truck like cigarette lighter, 12-volt plug-in.
Yep, absolutely.
And run it like that, which is awesome. This thing is a game changer.
Oh yeah,
We can have cold.
versatile.
We can have cold drinks anywhere we go.
Just want to say thank you again to the folks at Bodega for reaching out to us and giving us the opportunity to test and review their cooler. If you are looking for something like that, you can't go wrong. At the price point, it is significantly less expensive than some of the more expensive brands, but I don't feel like you lose out on any of the capability. So it's been a really good unit, and we're glad to have it in our part of our kit.
Can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll in our